John Kennedy is slick. So slick. Let's watch him ask these questions. Telling you, this is so easy. Just watch the people we elect talk. It's that simple. You don't even need to know if they're Republican or they're Democrat. All you got to do is listen to what they say. And if you need your eyes to see how they say it, that's good too. And then you probably be like, oh boy, I didn't know. Let's go. Holy.
Thank you. I have a point of order, Madam Chair.
Point of order.
Yes, Senator Kennedy. Madam Chair, with respect, you allowed the witness to go at length and to change her testimony without her being subject to cross-examination. Are you going to allow us to have a second round of questioning?
No, Senator Kennedy.
What are you trying to cover up?
Yeah, tell me.
There is no cover up, and Mr. Padilla, Senator Padilla, you'll be allowed the 30 seconds.
Well, I want to appeal.
Thank you. I'd like to hear the
I would like to
responses
appeal.
from the two
Madam
witnesses.
Chair, I have a point of order. I'd like to appeal the ruling of the chair. You allowed
Your point of order was offered and responded to,
and
and
I appeal the ruling of the chair and call for a roll call vote.
Say it.
You allowed a witness, let me state my case.
Sure.
Come
With
on,
respect,
get it,
you
get it.
allowed a witness to go on for 4 or 5 minutes, change her testimony,
She getting
knowing full well that neither Senator Cruz nor I could cross-examine her about her perjury.
Senator Kennedy, would you allow the witnesses
I'm
to finish
still in
responding
the
to my
middle of a
question
point of
and
order,
we can
Mr.
act on your
Yeah, why you
request?
can't
And
defend stop
I
talking,
think
dude.
we
Senator
need to
Kennedy.
have a second round.
Senator Kennedy.
And I am appealing the ruling of the chair.
Senator Kennedy, would you allow the witnesses to finish responding to my question and
And
then
I am
respond to your
appealing the
request?
ruling of the chair.
Senator Kennedy,
Okay.
I gave you a response to your request of a second round of questioning. I have no intention on allowing a second round of questioning.
And I'm
There is-
appealing your ruling.
That is fine. There is no procedure that allows
I
for
would
a
ask for a
roll
roll
call.
call
There
vote.
is no procedure
you
for that
already-
allows for a roll call vote in this committee. This is a hearing. I have the
Yeah.
gavel. I have
Yeah.
responded
Well, this
to
is the cover
your
up, Madam Chair.
request.
This is.
And I am going to return
I will
to
say, I've
Senator
never seen a
Kennedy.
chair try so hard to protect a witness and avoid answering why she just lied on the stand with her own words, her own opinion.
Fucking everybody. Oh,
Thank you so much for your
let her
request.
deal. Yo,
It has
she the
been
boss.
heard,
How you
responded
talking
to Senator Padilla, your.
There will be no cross-examination.
If I would like-
The witness shall be
But I
allowed
wanna
to
be
lie,
clear,
and no one will ask.
Your
her.
ruling. I think I have a.
You have been, you asked for, was there gonna be another round of? The answer is no.
We can't have a second round that the chair can allow a witness, after we're finished with cross-examination, go on at length, change her testimony, potentially perjure herself. We're not allowed.
See, if you see the actual testimonies of those, you see that right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you heard those ladies talk, oh my God, you'd be scared. Oh, you see the men right there? I don't know. I rarely agree with Ted Cruz and John Kennedy. I mean, I don't really ever agree with anyone before 6 months ago because I didn't care about politics, you know? Stay out of my lane, I'm good. He's in my lane now. So now we into it. And it's strange because the news and the way they rock Ted Cruz and John Kennedy, it's a little strange. I mean, I don't like everything that they do. I don't like everything that anyone does. But with these questions right here, when they ask it, I'm like, whoa. You should be like, whoa. Because them 5 women, scary.
Allowed to cross-examine in a second round of questioning, which we do all
The answer is no, Senator
I
Kennedy.
can't,
No.
and now I ask for a roll call vote to appeal your ruling.
Madam
You
Chair.
say
No, you cannot.
Madam Chair, point of speaking privilege, please. Madam Chair, point of order.
Senator Harlan.
You know, we have been witness to literally witness badgering and now badgering of the chair. She has issued her ruling. There is no appeal. Some of us would like to get on with this hearing.
I'm sure you
And
would.
to have to sit here and listen to all of you go off time and time and time again, and I just.
Cover up is the sentencing. They don't really care about women. Like they let men into women jails. Okay, rapists is getting a couple of years, and these people out here talking about Democrats love women rights. Shh. Don't do that. Don't do that.
just want to commend this witness, this nominee, for her comportment, because of what her comportment says to me is that she is going to be a damn good judge. Can we get on with it, Madam Chair?
If I could edit all this stuff, that.
So does every Democrat senator want to cover up the facts here? Is any Democrat?
So can we
Stand up.
return
Correct
to
contradiction.
Senator, we'll be returning to Senator
Apparently,
Padilla's
the entire
question, or we
Democrat Senate
will
wants to
adjourn
cover these up.
today's
You want
hearing.
to adjourn? Go ahead, you can do that.
Go ahead, Senator Padilla, I
We
want
might
to give you
as well.
30
You
seconds.
might as well, because the questions are gonna be, are you more handsome or beautiful or brilliant? And let's avoid the
Madam
facts.
Chair, what I would like is an opportunity for the two remaining witnesses to respond to my question. And I
Who is
would
that
really like all members of the committee to pay them the respect they deserve and.
Man, we way
So let them
past all
finish.
that, man.
Let's do it.
All that. You hear what the sentence?
Thank you, Senator. I do agree with the premise of your question. I did have the opportunity to complete 2 clerkships, one at the Vermont Supreme Court and one at the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. When I was at the Second Circuit before Judge Peter Hall, I was his 3rd slate of clerks at the very beginning of his career. And he discussed then and made it a point to try to attract and hire a very diverse set of law clerks in the broadest sense, geographically diverse, from different schools, many who had had different careers before law school. He felt that really helped his decision-making process. And I hope, if I'm so fortunate to be confirmed, to do the same.
Thank you, Judge Valenzuela.
Thank you, Senator Padilla. I agree with your statement and I agree with the comments of my colleagues. The only thing I would add is that I think the mentoring component of that is very important. And that's why for the past, I think 5 years or so, I have served on the California Judges Association's outreach committee. And I've strived through that committee to encourage and inspire the next generation of lawyers.
Thank you to all the nominees for your responses and
Who is
again
this?
for
This is
your
machine.
composure
It's
and
a
your
robot.
dignity.
Oh,
And I will
oh,
apologize to you for the decorum of some of my colleagues here today.
No.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you so much, Senator
No,
Padilla. Thank you to our nominees here. If there are further questions that are going to be, would like to be offered, the deadline for submitting those is May 29th. By 5 p.m. Questions for the record will still be due to the nominees by that date and time. The record will likewise remain open until that time to submit letters and similar materials. Everyone, please plan accordingly. With that, this hearing is adjourned.
Oh, adjourned. It's hard to even. Literally. It's disgusting. People need to see these hearings. These are the judges that are shaping America. They ain't lying about that. They are not lying about that. So who's louder? That's what the question. That's the question.